Welcome back to the Trade with Resolve channel. If you're new to the channel and interested in viewing live day trades, platform tutorials, or learning basic trading terminology, then please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently watching Roku here. You can see that we have quite a bit of selling pressure so far within this first 2-minute candlestick. And so I'm just going to wait until there is a good potential setup. Right now I'm just watching it to see how it behaves for the first few minutes, and then I will make a decision on whether or not there is a high probability trade on Roku this morning. I am now in Roku here with 10 put contracts at 98 cents. And you can see here we do have quite a spread here on Roku, but I do believe that the price is likely to continue lower. Let's see what happens with the price action. So I'm currently in a little bit of a drawdown here on Roku, but I think that this move up will be short-lived, and again I am expecting continuation to the downside. Let's see if Roku can give us a push lower here. I am all out of the trade for a $341 profit, and you can see here I bought in on Roku with an average of about 98 cents, and I scaled out of the position with about an average of $1.33. And so this equated to a 35% gain here on Roku. I hope you enjoyed this live day trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.